Welcome viewers, I am Siddhi Sharma with my co-anchor Abhijit Pandey. You are watching a special bulletin from Central Academy School, Gwalior News Studio. The campus was recently filled with joy, warmth and pride as we celebrated Teachers Day 2025, a day dedicated to honoring those who guide us, inspire us and shape our future.
Absolutely, Siddhi. Teachers' Day is not just another date on the calendar. It is a heartfelt expression of gratitude toward those who nurture us with wisdom, discipline, and love. Let us take you through the memorable movement of this grand celebration.
The celebration began with a very special assembly conducted by our respected teachers. Their inspiring words about the importance of learning, values, and dedication set the perfect tone for the day. It was truly a reminder that education is not only about books but about building character and preparing for life.
Afterwards, students attended two short academic periods, but even during those classes, the spirit of celebration was alive because many students had taken up the role of teachers for the day. Their excitement and enthusiasm created an unique atmosphere, blending fun with responsibility.
The main celebration began with the warm welcome of our dignitaries. The atmosphere turned graceful as a traditional lamp lighting ceremony took place, a powerful symbol of wisdom, knowledge, and the light that teachers bring into our lives.
Immediately after the lamp lighting, the gathering paid heartfelt tribute to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the great scholar, philosopher, and statesman, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day across the India. His values and thoughts on education continue to guide generations.
Then the stage came alive with vibrant cultural performances, a graceful dance created by class 8 students dedicated to teachers expressed the joy of learning, while a soulful music performance created an atmosphere filled with love and respect. Each performance was a student's way of saying thank you to their mentors.
The most emotional movement followed the felicitation of teachers. From nursery to class 12, every teacher was individually honored. Special recognition was also given to those teachers whose classes achieved a remarkable 100% result in 2025 session. The thunder of applause showed how deeply the students respect their mentors.
And the students were not left behind either. Those who stepped into teachers' shoes during the first two periods were also recognized and felicitated as the best student teachers of the day, a proud acknowledgement of their effort and responsibility.
The celebration further highlighted the contribution of coordinators and principals. Their leadership and dedication continue to inspire both teachers and students alike.
And what's a celebration without sweetness? The students of class 8A and 8B together brought in that joy with a cake cutting ceremony. The cheerful smiles, laughter, and the joy of sharing cake added flavor to the day, making it truly unforgettable.
The program also included the golden words, inspirational messages from Principal Sir and Director Ma'am.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं आके घाटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के राही राही राही। A very good afternoon to all of you. A very good afternoon to all of you. Most honorable Director Sir, Director Ma'am, learned teachers, staff of Central Academy School Gwalior, and my dear children. We all are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, which is actually on 5th of September. The Teachers' Day is celebrated to commemorate our ex-president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was born on 5th of September 1888. And you will be surprised to know his students arranged a party for him, a birthday party. But he declined to attend that party. He declined to attend that party and he said that my birthday should be celebrated to honor teachers. And the day should be celebrated as Teachers' Day. So this day is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor and commemorate our ex-president and the first Vice President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was not only the President of India, he was a statesman, he was a politician, and he was a great teacher. I am very much thankful that we have got a very good team of teachers. Why I am saying team? Because team has got a common goal, and all of us have got a common goal, that is nurturing these young minds to be at their top level, so that our Central Academy School Gwalior comes at the top of the city, top of the state, and top of the nation. So have a great nothing on this world. But when we talk about a common goal, then we are a big team, and our team leader is Engineer Vinay Dalani and Director Madam Kavita Madam. So a great clapping for them also for making this institution to the top and giving you these facilities that you are now standing in this manner, and now you are working in this great environment. All the air conditioners are there in our school, in all the rooms, and now the school is moving ahead and ahead towards getting the great achievements. And here I request our teachers to be and join your hands, to be with each other and join your hands and give the good results, and it will not only improve the life of the school, not only improve the name of the school, but it will definitely improve your name. You will be knowing as a part of Central Academy School Gwalior. You will be honored, you will up your collar and say that I am a part of this school, and here the Central Academy School will rise like anything, and that is the common motto, common goal of each one of us. So on this day, I once again congratulate each and everybody of the school that the Teachers' Day is the biggest festival, I should say, for the school, and that we have celebrated like anything, and everybody has witnessed this situation. And thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, along with young and dedicated teachers, our energetic and shining stars of the school in the form of the students. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the teachers who are dedicating their life to this profession. Since you are doing this noble profession, so don't get irritated whenever a child comes towards your path or whenever a child demands special attention. And it is your responsibility to spread yourself or to reach at every level wherever it is demanded by a student. You are having that strength. You created many professions. You have created engineers, you have created doctors, you have created chartered accountants, and you have created a wide variety of professions that are prevalent in society. If a teacher commits any mistake, the whole coming generation will switch off. So we don't have any right. So we have only right to produce useful citizens. All of you are working hard, and I hope you will help the institution as well as the country in producing useful citizens for the future. So once again, I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you and have a meaningful life. Thank you.
Their guidance reminded everyone about the noble power of education, the dignity of teaching, and the responsibility each student carries for building a brighter tomorrow.
As the celebration drew to a close, students expressed their heartfelt thanks, but the day would not have been completed without remembering the silent pillars of our institution. Our office staff and MTS, their dedication behind the scenes ensures that everything runs smooth. On this occasion, they too received warm gratitude.
What a wonderful celebration it was! A day filled with respect, emotions, gratitude, and joy. Each movement reflected the bond between students and teachers, the bond built on trust, discipline, and affection.
Truly, as the saying goes, teachers takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart forever. With these words, this is Siddhi Sharma.
And I am Vijit Pandey, reporting from Central Academy School, Gwalior, News Studio. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our new studio updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.